At Ideal Fire Protection, every installation starts on the ground, with a careful walkthrough, sharp eyes, and a team that knows what every building needs before the real work begins. Before anything goes overhead, the job takes shape piece by piece, with measured layouts, organized materials, and experienced hands preparing every part to fit the space exactly. This is where planning turns into progress, as each line, bracket, and connection is installed with care, moving the system from blueprint to something real above the people below. The final details matter, because real protection depends on careful checks, clean finishes, and testing that confirms every connection is ready when it counts most. Behind every finished system is a team that takes the work seriously from start to finish. Trust Ideal Fire Protection to protect your property. Visit idealfireprotection.com.